so let's do this under 5 minutes. Apple has a new Mac, 2 new AirPods. Well, I think these are mentioned. So mostly it's going to be the new iPhones and the HomePod. So HomePod is a smart speaker. Basically, it should listen to you like, "Hey Siri," answer questions and play music. Supposedly the speaker has really good audio, and this thing glows like nice colors, LEDs. And next we have the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12. It comes with 5 colors. It's really light, 4.76 grams, so it's like almost a little as heavy as a mouse with two batteries. This one's a little bit heavier. Let's see, 6.1 diagonal. This one's probably the one most people will buy because it's nice and big. But if you're on a budget, then a 5.4 is fine. Has A14 Bionic chip, so has more AI and core machine learning cores. Has a better camera, and it has supposedly a new screen that's stronger, and it has 5G. Next, we look at the iPhone 12 Pro. It has 4 colors. Looks very, it's like they literally desaturated these colors up there. Just desaturated these colors to make these colors. So that was silver, graphite, gold, Pacific blue. Has more memory. This one has this screen's pretty good. The Pro has a nice screen. Has better cameras. Better pixels. Same chip. They all have the same chip. Stabilizer. And finally, they have LiDAR, which is this AR. AR is augmented reality, so it's basically an object in your room that's virtual. So that's new with Apple, and that's about it. Under 2 minutes. Peace.